To inspect or replace the drive belt on your Pro XD midsize gas, follow these steps. Drive belt maintenance should only be performed after the vehicle has completely cooled. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and ensure it is in park. Next, pull up on the cargo box latch and pivot the box up. Then remove the 8 clutch cover fasteners. Continue by pivoting the bottom of the cover outward and over the suspension. Then, pivot the front of the cover out to remove while taking care to avoid damaging the cover gasket. Inspect the gasket cover for wear or damage and replace if necessary. Before continuing, take note of the drive belt direction of rotation. The belt must be installed in the same direction if reusing. Next, insert the clutch spreader tool from your tool kit into the threaded hole on the driven clutch and turn clockwise to spread the clutch. Continue by working the belt off the driven clutch and then remove from the drive clutch. Inspect the belt for any fraying, hourglassing, loose cords, missing cogs, abrasions, burns or damage, and replace if necessary. Next, clean out the inside of the clutch covers thoroughly. Also, remove all debris from the entire clutch air duct passage near the front driver's side of the engine. If replacing the belt, ensure the part number on the belt is facing outwards when installed. Begin installing the belt over the drive clutch and then continue walking it over the driven clutch sheave. Then, completely remove the clutch spreader tool. Next, rotate the driven clutch 5 to 7 times by hand to help seat the belt. Next, reinstall the clutch cover by inserting the top half in first and then pivoting the bottom half over the suspension and into place. Then reinstall the 8 cover fasteners and torque to specification. Finally, tilt the cargo box down and ensure it is properly latched. Make sure to always break in the drive belt of new vehicles, as well as after a belt replacement. For more information, see your authorized Pro XD dealer or visit Polaris.com.